everybody, welcome to Oscar, my viewers and my followers. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. Alright, so I got a Boxycharm unboxing for June. So if you would like to see what's in my Boxycharm, please stay tuned. Okay, hey everybody, we're here for the unboxing for Boxycharm, and yes, it's an unboxing because nobody opened it this time. I'm opening it the first time on camera today, so I'm soup. But anyway, this is June. I know y'all probably like, I've seen like 2 other videos yet because I was backed up, y'all. Okay, just don't worry about it, okay? But we back on track, okay? It's still one Boxycharm out there that I didn't review, but my video is still stuck, and not stuck, but I've never edited it. So, I don't know. I still might put it up, but I forgot what month it was. So, yeah. But anyway, this is Boxycharm here. This is for the month of June. I hope it's the month of June, y'all. Because we did May. Yeah. Okay. So, here we go with this. And we're going to open this real quick. Okay, so let me show y'all. Alright, so before we get into the Boxycharm box, I want to just go over some of the things that Boxycharm is about. Boxycharm, you can subscribe to Boxycharm for $21 a month. It will come out of your account. You have to sign up, and then you have to put your information in so it can automatically come out your account. And you can definitely sign up down below. I have a link down below that you can click on also, and you can definitely sign up, and then you will start getting your Boxycharm. Now, they do have waiting lists sometimes, so you have to be patient. When I first started, I had to go on a waiting list, so they will let you know if you will be on a waiting list, and if you are on a waiting list, they will let you know. And once you're off the waiting list, that's when they will bill you. I don't think they will bill you before you get off the before you get on the waiting list. Okay, so they make sure, because sometimes the waiting list can be way longer than they expect, and they already took the money out, which is not good because you didn't get the product that month or whatever the case is. So they will take it out once you will be available to be on be receiving a box. Okay, so you will get full-size products, from like ColourPop, Tortillas, a lot of popular brands that do cost a decent amount of money, and the box value is always way more than the subscription itself. So I believe this is a pretty good box to get. It's very popular on YouTube, and it's very nice, and I will be ending the subscription soon, but I may still try to hold on it. I think I'll hold on until the end of the year and see what happens, okay? Alright, because you guys know I'm on a budget, but I think I can hold out to the end of the year, and then I will leave it. But I love it so much. You get so much nice items. It's like, oh my goodness. Alright, so anyway, this is what it looks like, okay? Boxycharm here. Alright, and so this is the details that I will go over after the after we see everything. Oh god, alright, but anyway, let's get up close. Alright, so y'all, I was stupid because I saw some brushes. So we just gonna get to the brushes, okay? We got Luxe brushes, okay? We got okay. But anyway, we just gonna open it. I mean, what we gonna open this at? Okay. I mean, okay. Like, 2 suits. We got Luxy brushes. Oh, look at these. Nice little fluffy brushes. This is probably like a foundation brush. This is probably like a highlighter brush or something like that. Look at these brushes. Nice. And they're pink too. And I don't like the color pink like that, but I've been liking the color pink a lot lately. So yeah. So there we go right there. Came in this nice little packaging right here. So here we go. Some nice fluffy brushes. Okay. Alright, so now we have Ofra. Okay, a long-lasting liquid lipstick, okay? You guys know I like to swatch. They love giving nudes. Like, can we do like a red or a bold, Boxy? Please? Please? I'm not really a nude person like that. Like, like they always send these. Like, I'm not really a nude person like that. I mean, it's cool, but it's like... But anyway, this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick, okay? Then we got, fast-absorbing body cream. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, okay? Oh, Genera. Oh, what is this? Look at this little yellow thing. What is this? What is this? What is that? Sorry about that. But anyway, let me open it. Oh, okay. Well, we're going to open it on the, ooh. Okay. Oh, it smells good. Look. Oh. Oh, it smells like a light vanilla type deal. Like it smells so soothing. Okay. All right. So we got some lashes. Okay, Boxycharm, y'all did it this time. Okay. Boxycharm, y'all be trying to put. Oh. Anyway, I say y'all be trying to play me. You know how I was trying to open it? I was trying to push it. And this is how you open it. What in the world was I doing? Got some lashes, y'all. All right. Okay. You guys know I like lashes. Y'all know I like lashes. All right. So we got the Jonte Blue. This is, I don't know. Oh, an eyeliner pencil. All right. Okay, it's a nice little eyeliner pencil here. There it is. Right there. Okay. And then, yeah, last but not least, this nice eyeshadow palette. Alamar, I believe. Oh, it looks nice and summery. Ooh, la la. We got the tropics coming through to you. Y'all guys will see some swatches. I'm not ashy today, y'all. All right, so we gonna see some swatches. Okay, so we got La Costa. All right, so we're going to put La Costa here. I'm not ashy, y'all. Oh, if that's not pigmented, I don't want to see it. Okay. We got El Malecón. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not Spanish, so oh. And we got Veradero. Oh, that's nice. Then we got Celia. It's like a green. You guys know I'm not about that green life. Then we got Coco Taxi. It's like an orange. Oh, you can't really see that one. Yeah, that's probably going to be like a nice natural transition color. I'm going to do this side because my hand's getting filled up. Okay, Tropical. And we got Guantanamara. It's like a purple. And then we got Cafecito, I guess. Oh, that's nice. All right, so this is what it is. Okay, nice palettes. A nice palette. I'm sorry, I said palettes. I like the packaging. It looks very nice and tropical, you guys. What y'all think? Okay, y'all see that? Okay, cool. What we doing? Okay, so that's a nice eyeshadow palette. All right, so we're going to back it on up. All right, y'all. So that's what we got. All right, and we're going to get into the logistics, okay? So this is Boxycharm, of course, you guys. Caribbean Queen, El Cor. And let's see. Okay, so this says Alamar, Reina del Caribe. This palette features 8 highly opaque shadows reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes for a more intense application. Refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that could be used with a wet brush, the sun symbol, for application with a dry brush. And the retail price is $28 for that palette. All right, so I apologize for my Spanish. It's a little, you know. But anyway, I digress. Okay, so for the lashes, the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, the 3D multi-layer Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Okay, and it is $28. So yeah, so that's pretty good. Yes, you can wash your lashes. You can wash them with coconut oil and warm water, and you should be fine. Okay, so Sol de Janeiro. I probably said that wrong. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look, feel at its most smoothest and tightest. This is $10. That's not a bad price. We have Luxie brushes, the 3-piece flawless complexion. Precision foundation face brush, $6.60. Okay, I said that. I said one of them was the foundation brush, and I bet you it's the one I said. Yep, this is the foundation brush. And this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft diffused makeup look. The taper highlighting face brush. Okay, the tapered one. This is tapered. I don't know if y'all can see it from there, but it's tapered. Okay, this fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. Oh, okay, I might use it for that. Dual fiber powder brush 516. Use this ultra soft brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. Okay, that's cool. Okay, and those brushes was $42. All right, what's up? All right, the Jaunty Blue waterproof eyeliner pencil, the 100% vegan. Okay, that's cool. Waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. This is $5. That's not bad. Okay. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look, and this came out to $21. Okay, so don't forget to hashtag your box shots with hashtag box candy. Oh, they should have had some candy up in here. Anyway, I digress. I don't need any candy. But that's it. So that is your Boxycharm unboxing. But that is my Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys want to get a Boxycharm subscription, definitely check the description bar below. I will have mine. Have a link down below that you guys could click on, and probably I think a discount code or something down below if you guys want to check that out, and you will click on that. We'll use that code while you get in your box because you might get something off, I believe. I'm not sure, but that's basically about that. But I do purchase this with my own money. It does come out of my account every month, like $21 and some change, I guess tax, I don't know, but anyway, I digress. But that's basically about that. So if you guys are interested, please click that link down below, and it will follow you through the steps and things of that nature. You know, it's self-explanatory, and that's basically about that. But I'm sure if you do have a problem, you can definitely call customer service, and I'm sure that they will definitely help you. I've never had a problem to call customer service or anything in the case, but I'm sure that they will be definitely, you know, there to help you, because they're very prompt with their packages, and I never had a problem like with, you know, bent up packages or anything messed up or anything of the case. So they're pretty good with that. So you shouldn't probably really have a problem. But that's basically about that. So I'm done with everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for being with me on this unboxing, and that's basically about that. So if I forgot anything, I definitely answer in the video. I will put the grand total in the video as well, so you guys will see the grand total of the box, which is always surprising to me, but it's just like, whoa, all this, and we're just only paying $21 a month for it. You know what I'm saying? So you're really getting a big deal, a huge deal with these, you know, these expensive, you know, well-known products for only $21. You know what I mean? So that's basically about that. All right, so that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, comments, or ask. Peace, bye.